I've been so jet lagged the past couple of days since I've been back from Korea. I think it's like 6 a.m. right now and the sun just came up. I am pretty hungry though because right now it's dinner time in Korea and my body has not fully adjusted back to New York time. I want to be lazy and just stay in bed, but my stomach has been growling ever since I woke up. So I'm gonna wash up and cook myself something to eat. Ugh. So I've been kind of obsessed with French toast these days, especially in the mornings. I don't know why, but I have a very strong craving for it. So that's what I'm gonna make right now. And I'm probably gonna make some scrambled eggs and maybe a side of turkey bacon, and of course my coffee too. It's been a while since I cooked something at home since I've been traveling a lot. So it's kind of nice to enjoy a home cooked meal finally. I wanted to pop in and give you guys a little apartment update. Our lease is actually up in a few months and I literally can't believe 1 year has already passed. I kind of feel like we just moved into this apartment, but a year just literally flew by. So obviously we were given an option to either renew the lease or end the lease, and we have decided we wanted to end the lease. And we're not moving out of Manhattan, we're still gonna stay here, but we decided to look for a new apartment. I feel like when we moved into this apartment, we kind of wanted to test out the waters and see if we liked living in Manhattan. If you guys have been following me, you know that Sung and I both grew up in Queens, New York, so we actually never resided in Manhattan until now, and we both mutually decided that we love it here. I know a lot of people like peace and quiet in their homes, but personally I love the liveliness and the hustle bustle of the city. I especially love how convenient everything is, especially in our neighborhood, whether it's going into the office or running errands, getting groceries. Everything is just convenient, and we have so many cafes, restaurants, and bars around us that it just never gets boring. So we are staying in Manhattan and we're probably going to be staying within this vicinity. I did start doing some research and apartment hunting on my phone, and I realized that our apartment right now is a pretty good price for the area that we live in. But I did want to look for a unit that is newer and just a little more spacious. Our unit right now is a little bit tight for the two of us living here. So yeah, we're going to be busy touring apartments over the next few weeks, but I will take you guys with me to view the apartments and hopefully we land on one soon.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up and I can feel it now.
if you guys watched my previous vlogs, I just went to my friend Jenna's bachelorette party not too long ago. And today's our big day. We just arrived at the wedding venue and we're actually super early, but better early than late. The venue is so nice. There's like an outdoor area, and inside here is where they serve refreshments before the ceremony. Can't wait to see her in her dress. I also got my dress last minute. It's not a color I would normally wear, but I wear black all the time, so it's a nice change. Also from Jenna's bachelorette party, I got a really bad tan line on my neck and chest area, so I had to wear a halter top.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be, dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear, still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear, just saying this.
Hello! I am on my way to dinner right now. I'm gonna be meeting up Sung, Michelle, and her fiance Tim, who actually just landed in New York yesterday from California. We're gonna be going to Seoul Salon, so I'm walking there right now, and definitely feeling like fall in New York City. Have my leather jacket on that I bought from Korea. Sorry if it's a little loud. Park Avenue on a weeknight during rush hour. Oh my god, the Empire is so pretty today. Welcome to New York.
I'll be back.
Wow! Perfect timing.
I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. There ain't no
We are waiting in line for Adele's right after dinner. This line is gonna be like an hour long. We're finally home now and we're enjoying the halal. We got 2 more in the bag for the rest of the week.